Today, we cook this. Real food your kids will love. Recipe also in the video description. Let's start cooking. Bon appetit! Please give us a thumbs up. Thank you. And if you don't want to miss any new recipes in the future, hit subscribe and the bell. Do you have any questions or recipe suggestions? Then please leave a comment below. Thank you.